Hello friends, welcome to Chella's Kachunar. In this video, we'll learn about fishbone diagram. So what is fishbone diagram? So it is invented by a Japanese quality professional, Ishikawa. So it is very simple tool and helps to identify all possible causes of failure. So it can be used as a reactive tool once problem occurs. After that, for analysis also it can be used, or during new development for analyzing the possible causes before developing a part or system. So there also you can be used this tool and identifying a critical things, and accordingly the designing part can be corrected. So it is very easy to present and understand the data in this format because it's simple schematic diagram approach. And it categorizes all the causes into 5M, under the 5M, that is man, machine, method, measurement and environment. Environment called as a MOS also. And it is also called as cause and effect diagram, ishikawadiagram and fishbone diagram. So now let us learn how to draw fishbone diagram. So first we need to mention the problem statement for which we are going to do analysis. So all the possible causes has to be collected under the 5M category, man, machine, method, measurements category. So yes, CFT has to be involved completely to list out all the possible causes, because one person cannot identify multiple causes. So complete CFT has to identify the causes and it has to be plotted under different M category. First we'll see man related causes has to be mentioned in the single arrow what is shown in the drawing. Second, it will be a machine related causes, possible causes, all possible causes has to be identified and mentioned separately in the arrow shown in the next. And third, methods related. Method means how to operate the machine or how to produce the things, how to process do the activities to complete the process. These all come under method categories. So next one is measurement. So measurement related errors and possible causes has to be mentioned in this wing. And final one is environment, that is MOS. So environment related causes, if there is anything available to affect or to create this problem, that has to be mentioned in this final area. So in this, if you see, we are mentioning all the causes under the categories. Second one is it has to be mentioned by putting an arrow under each and every category. That is a primary cause. What we term is that it has a primary cause. So in some critical areas we have to go to the secondary cause also. Like in the machine category, if you are mentioning one primary cause, if it is a critical and you want further information, you have to go to the secondary cause level. So this has to be done with the brainstorming among the team members, and accordingly it has to be mentioned in the chart. So we'll see one example in the next slide. Friends, for making everybody understand, I am going to take a practical life example. I am not going to take any manufacturing or any other areas example, because that may not be able to communicate the things very clear for learning this tool. So I made a sabji today in the cooking, and it found with a low salt. That is a problem. So output found a NC. So we will analyze and we will list out all the possible causes using cause and effect diagram now. So first, under the category of man, one possible cause is awareness gap, and second secondary cause for that is new brand salt purchase, then that may get very of taste. And second one is if tasting is not done at the end of the processing, so that also will lead to a problem. And second, machine means gas stove, which is used for processing making a sabji. Heating found irregular, that is one of the possible cause. Second one is mixing tool not available, it's a machine. So properly mixing has to be done during cooking. It is not that spoons are not available. Third one is method. So salt is added at the end. It should not be added, it should be added at the proper time. So but it's added in the end. And the next one point is fully added the single turn. It is not added step by step after tasting and evaluating. It is added as a single turn. So these are all possible causes coming under method. And measurement, non-standard instrument used, simple common spoon used, based on the number of person, it has to be properly measured and used. But here it is non-standard instrument used. And in normal cooking case in the home, our mom or anyone, they used to just by practice they used to put the salt. But there the people are skilled. Here I am not a skilled cook. Even when I made, I have to follow all the procedures and methods and measurement system that is not followed. So by considering all these things, I am listing out of all possible causes. So on measurement, further one more causes like define. Now it's not defined how much to be added for any sabji, that is not even defined. And coming to the environment, temperature variation, that may be a cause, but here there are less chances and less possibilities of causes in environment category. So such a way we have to list out all the possible causes for any failure, either reactive or proactive way, using this tool, and it has to be evaluated further. All possible causes has to be measured and evaluated further to find out the real root cause. Friends, thanks for watching this video. Please mention your comments in the comment section, so that will help me to improve or add more values in the forthcoming videos. Thank you.